For this installation, you will need a screwdriver, a tape measure, a straight edge and a sharp utility knife. Start by removing the rollers. There will be 4 screws to remove, then measure the hole that is in the floor. These are indicated here by the red lines. Write these measurements down as they are very important. Then measure the distance of the section in between the 2 rollers and the distance from the edges of the rollers to the edge of the sill plate. Then measure the distance from the front-facing area of the roller to the edge of the sill plate. This is indicated in green on the illustration. Most are between 2 and 6 inches in distance. Laying your protector with the carpeted side down, find the center measurement of the protector. The would be along the top of the longest hecta of the mat. Make a mark with a Sharpie or piece of chalk. Now take the measurement you took of the distance in between the 2 rollers. Divide it in half. Example, if your measurement was 20 divided in half would be 10. This number will be your center point number. Laying a measuring stick or tape on the carpet, place the center point number in line with the mark you made previously on the protector. Make a mark at the beginning of the tape measure on the mat or the 0 point. And then make a mark at the number you got from measuring in between the rollers. Next you will need to use your forward area measurement and measure inwards from the edge of the mat. Make a mark where your 2 previous marks would intersect. Now take the roller measurements from earlier and mark the other 2 points as indicated here. You should have a total of 4 marks for each roller. This will be your cutout area. Taking a straight edge, place it lined up between 2 of the points. Use a sharp utility knife and cut along the line between the points. Be sure to push hard enough to cut through the rubber backing. You will make a total of 4 cuts per roller cutout. Now place the carpet over the holes in the deck. The opening should line up correctly. Place the roller back over the carpet and install the 4 screws back in. The carpet will be held in by the roller frame and screws.